generations of sound boys. We are Rebel Sound. We do cover 3 generations, literally, of music that has driven the heart of urban music in this country worldwide, from its origins in Jamaica and the whole hip-hop fraternity, the grime fraternity, which is so paramount now in this country with its popularity, and also bass-driven music. This is where we come from. This is what we represent. And as Rebel Sound, we are literally 3 generations of sound boys. And what you're about to hear reflects just that.
Rebel Sound of Killer Dubplate. We're gonna chase you out of earth. Well now, alright. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Rebel Sound put on an iron plate and kill a little tin pan straight. Yes, Rebel Sound put on another plate and kill a jump and straight. Yes, Rebel Sound send them to outer space to find another race. Rebel Sound send them to outer space to find another race. Sound boy, you just an idiot sound. You can't test Rebel Sound when we check you with dubs in hand. And if you flip, we go with the wind. Rebel Sound put on an iron plate and kill a little tin pan straight. Yes, Rebel Sound put on another plate and kill a jump and straight.
Like I said, this one is not a dub, it's not a special, it's a sample. Done alongside the Rebel Sound. You hear me? No, no, no. Can't test Rebel Sound, and you know now. Tell the people. No, no, no. Can't test the Rebel Sound, the massive no now. And if you test Rebel Sound, you little circus clown from around town, you have to back up and run away. It's the last time you will play, boy. If you test the Rebel Sound, you'll lead a children jump and sound, boy. You have to back up and run away. You know that Rebel Sound is a champion.
Yeah, this is 2 centimeters, big enough. The Rebel Sound, the big bad sound that ruled us all today.
Woo! Yeah, then you will get no hurt, mister. No, no, no.
I say yeah, a Rebel Sound to play. Don't you ever say yeah, a status to play. Lord, Lord, spit it up, sound boy. Hear what I say now. Take out your tin pan sound on the lawn. Cause ready gotta play now. Oh, you hear what I say, son boy? Do what Rebel Sound say, son boy. Put your sound on the head now and walk out the dance hall, yeah. I say yeah, #1 DJ you play. I say yeah now, #1 DJ you play 1 time. Chase the play 2 times. Stasis the play 3 times. David kill them every time. So boy you got to die, 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 die. Hey, son boy, you're dead. Rebel sound gone ahead. Son boy, you're dead.
Ready. Rebel sound of murder. Dance all murder. Oh God, a murder. 'Cause rebel sound in the area. Whoa, whoa, a murder. You shouldn't try test this sound, yeah. No, no. We a go kill them one by one. A rebel a go kill them 2 by 2. A rebel a go kill them 3 by 3. Come catch up at and Tony Pampa laughing spree. Me have to sing murder. 'Cause rebel sound in the area. Whoa, whoa. A murder. You shouldn't try test this sound, yeah. No, no. We are dead and diggity dan. We are dead and dagadule. Dan diggity dan. We are dead and dagadule. Dan diggity dan. We are dead and dagadule. Dan diggity dan. We are dead and diggity dan.
Yo there, high up them goat and cow there. I want to them, this is General Degree, I represent for Rebel Sound, and I say, David Radigan, Chase and Status, and I say, MC Rage, Shy Effects, them for know them sound boy, they are dead, read them up. I want to them, a Rebel Sound, them better get out of town, them sound they are clown, oh yes, yeah, 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 Rebel Sound kill that jump on there, yeah, 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 Rebel Sound murder a sound boy there. Whoa, sound boy kill him. Rebel Sound use a dubplate and chop him. One more dub and then we whop him, whop him. Rebel Sound kill a sound boy from now straight, but hey, Rebel Sound win the clash. No boy can't stop it. The every sound boy who go on like them got it. The one them we got it. Hear how them a drop it. Super sound boy pulling guy out a socket. A boy try a thing but Rebel Sound spot it. Him try to escape just like a rocket. Dubplate a shoot boy just like it's now a super sound boy head crack it. Boy, sound boy kill him. Rebel Sound use a dubplate and chop him. One more dub and then we whop him, whop him. Rebel Sound kill a sound boy from now straight till a morning. Sound boy kill him. Rebel Sound use a dubplate and kill him. One more dub and then we whop him, whop him. Kill a sound boy from now straight back till a morning. Outside the clash, the whole place black up. Alp on the sidewalk, people a jack up. Sound boy adjust them out, them a chat up. Could do hang with the clash, so them send fi back up. Back up, them come down with chuck fi pack up. Who win the clash, yeah? Everyone a chat up. When them see a Rebel Sound have the damn place it lock up. Yow, yow, yeah, 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 yeah. Rebel Sound kill that jump on there. Yeah, 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 yeah. Rebel Sound murder a sound boy there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, ooh-wee.
60 minutes in the mix on One Extra. 60 minutes.
Rebel sound in a sound clash. Some sound a go dead in a combat. 2 ton a dub in a dub box. Dub in a the handbag. The knapsack it in a the backpack. We dub a killer sound pan contact. Sound boy no know this. Them only come around like tourists. On the beach with a few club sodas and bedtime stories. And pose like them name Chuck Norris. And down all the real hardcore. Sandals and no back to Radigan. Him we do what him got to. And won't think twice to shash you. Don't let them spot you. Unless you carry guns a lot too. A beer tough thing come at you when MC Rage stop laugh and block off traffic. Then we'll pop off and start clap it. With the pin fire long and it a beat rapid. Police come in a jeep and them can't stop it. Come on, let's face it. To kill a sound boy so basic. You know such Shy Effects will erase it. And when him erase it, him have the heavy dubs replace it. Rebel Sound them stands alone. Inna the sound clash. Chase and Status, Radigan, boom. Rebel Sound in a sound clash.
Out in the street, they call it murder.
Rebel Sound them touchdown. Some sound boy a dead that's random. A whole heap of dubplate can't done. A ghost and phantom. The boy we get blind by stardom. The king of all sound a call. Whole man to pick me. And wave on no one if you with we. This is some idiot sound boy sick we. Them suit no fit we. Them can't win a clash nor trick we. Them don't worth nothing at all. Some say them a playboy rabbit. Sound selector get chopped like a bad habit. Then no bother post up if you know don't have it. Rebel sound them stands alone. Hey, that's why rebel sound have some fat them with the extras that come in a them back pocket. And a bleach at night time in a some black jacket. If them not lock girl say them a lock it. Then we pull you up a current like shock socket. And run up road block which part cops block it. And from now till a morning no stop clock it. Can't run out of rounds. Rebel sound in a sound clash.
I must start rebel sound make myself. The almighty no devil sound. Murder jump and nothing else. I'll clean up people's place so. Righteousness. Whoa, whoa, sharababal, ta umsi, ya sharala. Whoa, whoa, yeah, Rebel sound, what me see? They can't keep a good man down. Rebel sound, they play them tune ya when them want you to frown. Keep the vibe and the studio ground. And they could never ever take your crown. Who to bless, I said no man curse. Things getting better when they thought it would be worse. Here comes the officers, they're asking for a search. Hey, rebel sound, jump and in the dirt. Hey, rebel sound, you're solid as a rock. They just can't stop you now. People will say this and that, them can't stop the rebel sound now. Even when they set up their trap, they just can't stop you now. Wow, 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 wow. Even when they set up roadblocks, they just can't stop you now. Well, rise to the occasion, look at yourself and say you're strong. Rebel sound, no one can stop you. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Rise to the occasion, look at yourself and say you're strong. Rebel sound, it's for you to make the best in life. Now that you've got the chance, get up and stand. Do what? Rebel sound, you're the champion sound. Well, from nothing to some, now the doors them are up. Them a wonder what up. Now the place it a flat. Bang banging, you leave them hanging. Watching people belonging. Tell them nothing happened without a perfect planning. They can't keep a good man down. Rebel sound, you lock the village, the city, the urban and the rural zone. Keep the balance.
You know, this is the voice of Protege alongside man called Chronix representing for the Rebel Sound. I always say David Rodigan, Chase and Status Shy Fix, you know, man called MC Rage live on stage, you know, right on the front page. Check, check.
Oh yeah, yeah, I mean say this a Protege, eh? A Rebel Sound, and what you say, eh? I know we play, we wanna play when we wanna play.
Suppose
they know
I'm pleased to be chilling in the West Indies.
Oh, you mean?
I provide all my wants and needs.
Now you know, see,
I got the sunshine, rivers and trees.
The trees,
leaves.
Yeah, well, Rebel Sound, we see our way. Drastically straight from hypocrisy, I say, hey. Every man to them own a philosophy. I live the proper way and then we read a chapter daily. Man, they in a city hungry and no eat. And food they down a country just a drop off of the tree them. You see say poverty no real then. A Rebel Sound we revealing.
Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows?
Rebel Sound.
I just go where the trade wind blows.
You know we go.
Sending love to my friends and foes.
Hello.
And I suppose
they know.
I'm pleased to be chilling in the West Indies.
Oh, you mean?
I provide all my wants and needs.
Now you know, see.
I got the sunshine, rivers and trees. Green leaves, yeah.
Then when the rain beats a pot on the roof, Rebel Sound, them a play pepper pot on the stew. Life is a dream if you got gratitude, so go tell the regime them can't stop where we do now. Information you think on your own, or else you're a slave to the things that you know. What do you know if you learn every day? Make them know Rebel Sound we are play.
Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows?
Then we know.
I just go where the trade wind blows. to my friends and foes.
Hello.
And I suppose
they know.
I'm pleased to be chilling in the West Indies.
Now you know see.
God provide all my wants and needs. I got the sunshine, rivers and trees. Green leaves.
Well, Africa in our soul, but a Jah in our heart. It is of importance for I and I gather. If you cannot show no a balance at your yard, how do you propose then to carry it abroad? Cannot go to Ethiopia and you know have a plan. The building of a nation and a helper and every one a lover, one a man is just a man. It shall be a coronation when we land.
Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows?
Rebel sound now.
I just go where the driving blows.
You see we go.
Sending love to my friends and foes.
Oh hello.
And I suppose
they know.
I'm pleased to be chilling in the West Indies.
Rebel sound,
God
you
provide
see.
all my wants and needs.
No.
I got the sunshine, rivers and trees.
See the trees,
Green leaves.
the green leaves. You know it's rebel sound style, Golden J style, Chronic style, UK style. Always, you know. Yeah, man. And Jah provide all my wants and my needs. Oh, Oh, well. Hey.
The plates playing in the ghetto tonight. We gonna kill a sound tonight. Rebel sound a kill sound tonight. Rebel sound a kill another drum band tonight. We gonna kill a sound tonight. Rebel sound a kill a drum band tonight.
Rebel sound. One in a class by itself. Anything test else. Need help. Music to them face. Rebel sound. When the nurse on the bed, put the jibba on the soda, when a powder. If I dance, all you know we are the reconqueror. When the nurse on the bed, put the jibba on the soda, when a powder. If I jump and test, we go and kill them in ya. Some liquor jump and what is the matter with them? Them play with 1 and 2 so tonight them life a go ain't nothing no tighty, flighty, boss lacquer, face a row. I been pack even for them best when we have the most dub plate, yes, fi murder them. Cool, fool. Rebel sound on roll. Have the most dump plate in the rubber duck school. Cool, fool. If it is your blood full of polo, dance on the champion overall. Yes, cool, fool. Rebel sound roll. We spin the fool them like fool. Yeah, cool, fool. The champion overall. Music we take them to the school. Alright then, step by step you have to climb the ladder. There ain't no sound in the road that rebel sound freighter. Any jump and war, test we in ya. It is easy run over, easy turn over. Dump it a play and jump and then all over. If I go stutter me say pants soft shoulder. The whole of them soft all over. Rebel sound, when the nurse on the bed put a jib on so that one a powder. If I jump and test with them I got dead in ya. When the nurse on the bed put a jib on so that one a powder. It is straight murderation, we a dance conqueror. Alright.
Oh yeah, them know sir, we start one a show now. No boy can't come bad way up now. Cause we not left it now.
Yeah. Rebel sound a bad sound. So no boy can't conquer we. Have only a woman, so one can't hunker we. Money there you enough, no sound boy nah sponsor we. Liquor do you know, we start we on a show. No afraid that no man, so no boy can't conquer we. Have only a woman, so one can't hunker we. Money there you enough, no sound boy nah sponsor we. Liquor do you know, we start we on a show. Yo. Enough sound not try me with disaster. Why we mash up with them pop up in our laughter. Come and try test with fear, but the whole of them are dead. Chase a cold gate if you a tata. Enough get out girl we a slaughter. And whole heap of society boy data. Girl a get employed, they come right out the try. Enough sound go wife them up after. We a live the big life with all grata. Feed the heavy man book rebel a harder. Watch the whole of them a spy color red fool them all yow. Rebel sound man them a bad man. No sound can conquer we. Have only for woman,
so one can hunker we. Money they are enough, no sound boy, no sponsor we. Little do you know, we start we on a show. No afraid of no man, so no sound can conquer we. Have one heap of woman, so one can hunker we. Money they are enough, no sound boy, no sponsor we. Little do you know, a rebel sound, you know what? Yo, man, something that believe in definite rule, you understand? On a rebel sound, so you are gonna follow me now. A rebel sound, I'm on say bang with a bang bang bang. Up them long, long disrespect. Them get top of the flan for them, they get them. Without them nah stick up, none of them nah jam, jam. You diss it, hey man for dead. Just like with the man dance and no we know. Afraid of nobody when we go the inner way and we have. One the pop load it on the X amount of bang. With all some bones, with the shell big. Like a soda cat, me say you fuck around the rebel soon. You are the head man, the rebel. We have for your whoop you rabbit. If I want to know the plan, then get cappers. No safe run when me say. Hey rebel soon, they be a real champion. Rebel soon, we a murder jump on. I'm on say we gun the inner we palm. We no fake fit on the jump on. In the guy we see man and a flip up and a one like. Say the man, but the bad wicked man. Turn it on, fan them give them X amount of can they watch them. Black rain a fall until them things say you storm. You want better them did easy, better them did calm. Them never listen rebel sound when they did a ban. Them disrespect I know them life gone. Let me turn it on, bang with the bang bang bang. Down them long disrespect. Them get cap at the fan for them nigga long. No give them nah stick up, none of them nah jam till jam. You diss it, hey man for dead. Just like with the band dance and no venom. Afraid of nobody when we know the inner we hand. Wally pa, the luft and the X amount of bang with some nose. Flesh big like a soda can. Up around the rebel sound, you are the head man. Boom.
Rebel sound, and the big bad sound. Yeah, I'm the David Radigan, yeah, the General. Shy FX, Status, Chase, MC Rage.